Good evening. I am back with another video showing how myself and my colleague will be integrating the team teaching technique with our class using the topic understanding fractions. So here I have some materials. I have a paper cut into a pizza size rung. We have some art pages uh, demonstrating what is a fraction, what a fraction looks like. We have some materials here that the students can use. Of course, these materials are only here for demonstration purposes. The students will be using kids-friendly materials in this case. So first, uh, teacher one, which is myself, and my colleague who's teacher two, who is not present right now, uh, will be helping me execute this lesson plan. So first, we'll focus on introducing fractions and explaining concepts to the students. And the other teacher will lead in the hands-on activities which the students will be participating in. And uh, we'll begin by asking the class what is a fraction, and if they can come up to the class, the front of the class, and write on the board what a fraction looks like. And what will be explained to the students as well is the parts of a fraction. So as displayed here, a fraction is written like this, and there are names for the different parts of the fraction. So the top part is called the numerator, the bottom part is called the denominator. And so students will be able to understand the difference between the two. And of course, examples will be given to them. For example, 2/4. And the image here, the object here, sorry, the pizza will be used to demonstrate what 2/4 of a fraction looks like. So on a pizza, 2/4 is the parts that are shaded is considered the numerator, the parts unshaded is considered the parts of the entire pizza rather is considered the denominator. So the pizza is cut into four equal parts. That is the denominator, and the parts shaded is the numerator. So that will be explained to the students, of course, in a way that they can understand. And activities, hands-on activities will be given to the students. Rather, they'll be given art pages or drawing pages to write their own fraction. So students can write whether it's 3/4, 3/5, and materials such as markers, pencils, and scissors that are kids friendly will be given to students to cut or be creative in making their fractions. All right, so we'll have them compare their fractions as well within themselves as a class, and then we'll have a discussion, a group discussion as a entire class together. So students will have the chance to come up on in front of the class, explain their fractions, and also they'll be asked to recall what is the numerator, what if they can identify what is the numerator and the denominator. Um, and teacher, my colleague, teacher two, will basically facilitate them during that process. And before we end the class, there will be the concept rather will be reinforced to make sure that they understand what a fraction is, how we can identify a fraction, and the difference between the numerator, sorry, and the denominator. So that's basically the end of my lesson plan for team teaching rather, and how I plan to executed with my class. Thank you.